हेलो एवरीवन। वी प्लस यू क्लासेस में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आई होप आप सभी लोग ठीक होंगे और अपनी तैयारी अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे। तो हमारी फार्मेसी की जो प्रैक्टिस क्लास चली हुई है उसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए आज की क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो आज कुछ हमने जो क्वेश्चन है जो फार्मेसी डिप्लोमा एग्जिट एग्जाम या एचएसएससी फार्मेसी जितने भी डिप्लोमा बेस्ड फार्मेसी एग्जाम है उन सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए स्टार्ट किया है। तो अभी हम तकरीबन तकरीबन 5-10 टेस्ट जो हैं इसी बेस पे लगाएंगे। ठीक है, तो आज का फर्स्ट टेस्ट है। तो ये ना सोचे कि बच्चे बिल्कुल बेसिक है, तो हम यहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द फर्स्ट फार्मेसी कॉलेज इन इंडिया वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन। तो फर्स्ट फार्मेसी कॉलेज इन इंडिया इन 1932। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द फार्मेसी एक्ट इन इंडिया वाज पास्ड इन। तो फार्मेसी एक्ट इन इंडिया पास्ड इन 1948। द फार्मेसी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया वाज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड अंडर। द फार्मेसी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड होती है अंडर फार्मेसी एक्ट 1948 के अंडर। द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ पीसीआई इज टू। तो पीसीआई का मेन फंक्शन क्या होता है? रेगुलेट फार्मेसी एजुकेशन एंड प्रोफेशन। द इंडियन फार्माकोपिया कमीशन इज लोकेटेड एट। तो इंडियन फार्माकोपिया कमीशन लोकेटेड इन गाजियाबाद। द फर्स्ट इंडियन फार्माकोपिया वाज पब्लिश्ड इन। फर्स्ट इंडियन फार्माकोपिया पब्लिश्ड इन 1955। बीपी स्टैंड फॉर। तो बीपी स्टैंड फॉर ब्रिटिश फार्माकोपिया। द यूएसपी इज पब्लिश्ड बाय। तो यूएसपी जो पब्लिश्ड है यूनाइटेड स्टेट फार्माकोपियल कन्वेंशन। द एक्स्ट्रा फार्माकोपिया इज आल्सो नोन एज। तो एक्स्ट्रा फार्माकोपिया इज आल्सो नोन एज मार्टिनडेले। आईपी इज रिजर्व रिवाइज्ड एवरी। तो आईपी रिवाइज्ड एवरी 5 ईयर। फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री primarily deals with pharmaceutical chemistry primarily deals with design, synthesis, analysis and quality of drug. Scope of pharmaceutical chemistry include all except clinical surgical process. Accuracy refers to closeness to the true value. Prescience refers to agreement among replicate measurements. Significant figure in 0.004560 r. So significant number is 5. A systematic error is best minimized by proper calibration and validation method. Random error is characterized by unpredictable scatter around mean. Source of impurities in pharmacopoeial substance include raw material and reagent, manufacturing process, containers, storage and environmental contamination, all of the above. Limit test is designed to detect limit small amount of impurities. In the IP limit test for chlorides, opalescence is produced by silver nitrate in nitric acid medium. The term pharmacognosy was first coined by Sedril. The term pharmacognosy first appeared in 1815. The father of Indian pharmacognosy is, so Indian pharmacognosy father is R. N. Chopra. Present scope of pharmacognosy includes study of plant constituent, isolation, evaluation, and formulation. Modern pharmacognosy integrates modern pharmacognosy integrates pharmacology, biotechnology, and photochemistry. Pharmacognosy contributes mainly to herbal medicine research and standardization. Crude drug are Crude drugs are unrefined natural substance used medicinally. The word pharmacognosy derived from Greek pharmakon drug plus gognosy knowledge. Pharmacognosy bridges botany and pharmacy. Anatomy is the study of body structure. Physiology deals with Physiology deals with function of the body part. The smallest unit of life is cell. The term homeostatics refer to the term homeostatics is referred to maintenance of internal environment. Spine position means lying on back face upward erect. The powerhouse of the cell mitochondria. The control center of the cell is nucleus. Ribosomes are of sites of protein synthesis. The plasma membrane is mainly made up of lipid and protein. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bag of cell. Social pharmacy is a study of social behavior of patient only in interaction of medicine with society and public health. Pharmacology of social drugs और sales of medicine, तो बी आंसर राइट हो जाएगा. Scope of social pharmacy includes improving public health and relation drug use. Role of pharmacist in public health includes patient counseling and health promotion. According to WHO, health is defined as complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Determinants of health include genetic, environmental, socioeconomy, lifestyle factors. Dimensions of health not include in WHO definition: spiritual. Health indicator are used To measure health status of population. National Health Policy of India aims to achieve universal health coverage. Primary health care is provided by PSC and sub-centers. National Health Mission launched in 2005. Absorption means Absorption means the passage of drugs from site of administration to circulation. Factor affecting absorption Factor affecting absorption Lipid solubility. Bioavailability means fraction of unchanged drug reaching systematic circulation. Drug distribution is affected by plasma protein binding. Biotransformation occur mainly in liver. Phase 1 reaction includes Phase 1 reaction include oxidation reduction and hydrolysis. The main focus of community pharmacy is patient centered care and medicine supply. First modern community pharmacy developed in the first modern community pharmacy developed in Europe. Community pharmacy in India is regulated under Community pharmacy in India regulated under Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Good pharmacy practice is promoted by WHO and FIP. SOP in pharmacy means standard operating procedure. GPP emphasize quality, safety, and efficacy in patient care. Community pharmacist means responsibility. Main responsibility. Community pharmacist main responsibility is ensure safe and rational drug uses. Community pharmacists in India are registered with State Pharmacy Council. Development of community pharmacy in India gained momentum after 1948 Pharmacy Act. आज ही क्लास में इतने ही। जो नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट बच गए हमारे तीन इसी के अपने सिलेबस के और आगे क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू बच्चों।